Okay, in the previous lecture, we have seen how to differentiate a vector valued function. Now we will see how to integrate the vector valued function. The same thing here as one variable function. Okay, so there are now separate formula for the integration. You have to apply that formula. Only what here it is in the vector form. This is the difference between your actual derivative and this one. Okay, so here also you have to use the same rules of the differentiation and the derivative the integration here. Okay, so now see here the indefinite integral of r bar with respect to t is the set of all antiderivatives of r bar. It is denoted by integration of this. Okay, if r bar is the any antiderivative of r bar, then antiderivative means the integration. This derivative of this the r bar is same as, okay, so that we will write here. Okay, so that means what, this is antiderivative means what, d by dt of r bar of t is same as r bar of t, means antiderivative. If d r bar by dt is same as r bar, this small r bar, then this r bar of t is called antiderivative of this r bar. Okay, so d by dt of this. Okay, so if r bar of this in the component wise, then you have to integrate the component wise. Okay, so if c is the multiplied by, this is the constant, c is the constant, it is a scalar, you can put the scalar. So now this is what the sum of the integration, integral of sum is sum of the integration. Okay, so if constant vector is here, this is what c bar dot, so just you have to take the dot product of the integration also, yeah, or the cross product. This is a constant vector, then you can do this one. If r bar of t is any, this is what, is any antiderivative, of r bar on closed interval ab, then integration from a to b r bar of t is same as r bar of b minus r bar of a. Okay, so this is the this is also known to you. This is the r bar is antiderivative, means this is the integration of r bar of t is capital R bar. Okay, and from a to b, that means what, this is same as what, integration of r bar of t. This is the antiderivative, and that means integration of r bar of t is this is from a to b. So then this is what, r bar of b minus r bar of a. Okay, so this is the theoretical part. So for the integration, we'll see the problems on it now. Again, this is very easy now. Okay, so this is not unknown to you actually. So only here what, you have to take the care of the vector only. Okay, evaluate integration from 0 to 1 t cube I bar plus 7j bar plus t plus 1 k bar dt. Okay, so you can separate the integration or you can write this. Okay, we'll erase this. Okay, we'll write the solution now. Solution. Okay, so this is equal to, just will integrate your vector. Easily you can integrate a component. Okay, so this is what is t raised to 4 upon 4 I bar plus 7t j bar plus t square by 2 plus t k bar. Okay, so this is what, 0 to 1. Okay, so we put t is equal to 1. So this is what is 1 by 4 I bar plus 7 j bar plus 3 by 2 k bar, because this is half plus 1. Okay, k bar, then minus, you have to put t is equal to 0. So this is what, if you put t is equal to 0, this is 0 bar. Okay, so this is just simply, this is I bar plus 7 j bar plus 3 by 2 k bar. Okay, so very simple. Only the crucial part, what, the integration. Actually integration is the problem. Okay, so evaluate minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 sin t I bar plus 1 plus cos t j bar plus sec square t k bar dt. Okay, so we'll see the solution. Okay, solution, this is equal to minus pi by 4 this. Okay, well, easily all the components are integrable. Directly we will integrate this. So this is what minus cos t I bar, because integration of sin t is minus cos. Note that this. Okay, plus t plus sin t j bar. Integration of cos t is sin t, not minus. Okay, it is plus sin t. Derivative of tan is the sec square. So integration of tan is the integration of sec square is the tan. So tan t k bar. This is what minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Okay. So we know the cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So this is what minus 1 by root 2 I bar plus pi by 4 plus 1 by root 2 j bar plus tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay. So just this is k bar. This is k bar. Okay. Minus cos minus pi by 4 is cos pi by 4. Only sin minus pi by 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So cos minus theta is cos theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Take the care of that only. Okay. So now this is what minus I bar. Minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Minus 1 by root 2 I bar. Okay. Then this is what plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4. This is minus pi by 4 minus 1 j bar. And tan minus theta is minus tan theta. So this is minus k bar. Minus k bar. Okay. Now we'll collect I bar now. This is become plus now. This is minus. So this is 0 I bar. 0 I bar. Then this minus. Okay. So this minus become plus now. And this pi by 4. So this is what? Pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Again this minus become plus now. So this is what? Plus 1 plus 1 by root 2. This is what? Plus 1 by root 2. Plus 1 by root 2. Okay. 1 by root 2. So 2 by root 2. And 2 by root 2 is root 2 now. J bar. Plus 2 k bar. Plus 2 k bar. Plus 2 k bar. Okay. So next, evaluate integration of cos t I bar plus 1 plus sec t tan t j bar plus sec square t k bar dt. Actually no need bracket here. Okay, so directly we'll integrate this, no problem. So this is very simple. All are integrable. All components are integrable easily. Integration of cos t is what? Sin t I bar. Okay, plus this is t plus sec x tan x. So derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So integration of sec x tan x is sec x now. So this is sec t j bar plus tan t k bar. Okay, so this is one line. This is one line. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, next 0 to pi by 3. 0 to pi by 3. Okay, so sec t tan t I bar plus tan t j bar plus 2 sin t cos t k bar dt. Okay, this we have to evaluate. Okay, so now this function is not integrable. Just we will write the formula for this one and then we will integrate this. Okay, so just we will write this. What? Sec t. This tan t, it is integrable. No problem for this one. Tan t is also integrable. No problem for this one. This is what? Sin 2t k bar. Okay, now all are integrable. So we will integrate this. So integration of sec t tan t is sec t. Okay, sec t I bar. Integration of tan t is what? Log of sec t j bar plus. So this is what minus cos 2t upon 2 k bar. So this is what 0 to pi by 3. So if you put 0, okay, so if you put 0, no problem for 0, you have to put 0 now here. Okay, now sec pi by 3. So to find sec pi by 3, we'll find cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 half. Cos 60 is 1 by 3. So this is what 2 I bar then. 2 I bar. Okay. So now sec t. So sec just we have seen this. This is what sec pi by 3 is 2. So this is log 2 j bar. Then this is minus. Okay. We'll do minus. This is what cos 2 pi by 3. Okay. So you have to find cos 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So this is what cos of pi minus pi by 3. Cos pi minus pi by 3. So this is what cos pi by 3 and plus sin pi by 3. Sin pi 0 to second term 0. So this is what then minus cos pi by 3 half. So this is minus half. So minus minus become plus half. So this is 1 by 4 k bar. You have to take the care of this half now. This is minus half and this cos 2 pi by 3 minus half become plus 1 by 4. Okay. So minus, we have put 0. So sec 0 means cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. So this is I bar. So this is 0 now. The log 1 is 0. So this is what? Plus 0 j bar. Okay. Cos 0 is 1. So this is minus half k bar. Minus half k bar. Okay. So this is what? 2 I bar minus I bar this. Plus log 2 j bar. Then this is 1 half 1 by 4 minus 1 half. So that is what 1 by 4 minus 2 by 4 is minus 1 by 4 k bar. Okay. So this is the value. Oh, not this is minus become plus. So this is what 3 by 4. Minus become plus. So this is 3 by 4. Okay. So this is minus. Okay. You have to do the plus now. Minus become plus now. 1 by 4 plus 1 half. So this is 3 by 4. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. It is very easy now. So if you can integrate a function, then it is easy. If you cannot integrate a function, if you don't know the formula for the integration, you cannot do anything now. Okay. So this is what 0 to pi by 4 sec t I bar plus tan square t j bar minus t sin t k bar dt. Okay. Now this tan square t is not integrable here, and here you have to apply the by part for this one. You have to take the care of this one. Okay. So this is what 0 to pi by 4. Just will write sec t is integrable, no problem for this one. This is tan square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. Tan square is not integrable, but sec square is integrable. So we can write this is what sec square t minus 1 j bar minus t sin t k bar. Okay. dt. Now we'll integrate this. Okay. So we'll integrate component wise for up to this. Okay. No problem. We'll okay. Okay. So we'll do this. Okay. Sec t means what? Log of sec t plus tan t. Sec t plus tan t. Integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x. Okay. I bar plus sec square is what? Tan t minus t j bar minus. So I will write in bracket. Integration of this. This is what? LIATE. So algebraic is first you have to take the t out. So t integration of sin t dt minus d by dt of t integration of sin t dt. Okay, so we will write open bracket here dt. This bracket is completed and this is what k bar and this completed 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. No need to write here 0 to pi by 4 because we are writing commonly this. Okay. So just first we will simplify and then we will put. Okay. Sec t plus tan t I bar plus tan t minus t j bar minus. Okay. So this is minus. Okay. So minus t cos t. This is minus, but integration of sin t is minus. Minus become plus. So this is what cos. Integration of cos is sin. Okay. So plus sine of t k bar, this is 0 to pi by 4. Okay, so now we'll put pi by 4 and then we'll put 0. Okay, so now we'll put first pi by 4. So this is what then, okay, first thing, what? Log of sec pi by 4 means cos pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So sec pi by 4 is root 2, reciprocal of that one. Okay, root 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is I bar because tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, now tan pi by 4 is 1. So this is what? 1 minus pi by 4 j bar minus pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Okay, into 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 k bar minus. What happens if you put 0? So sec 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0. So this is 0. So this is 0. This is 0. Okay, all are 0. Minus, just we will write here 0 bar. Okay, so now we will open the bracket and we will see this is what? Log of root 2 plus 1 I bar plus 1 minus pi by 4 j bar. So okay, so minus, I can take 1 by root 2 common. 1 by root 2 common, and this is what? 1 minus pi by 4 k bar only. Okay, so this is your required answer. This is your required answer. So if you don't want to take the common, you don't take the common. Okay, okay, so we'll take next problem. Integrate 1 to log 3 t e raised to t I bar plus e raised to t j bar plus log t k bar dt. Okay, so this we have to integrate. Okay, solution. So again here you have to use by part log of t also. For log of t, to value the integration log of t, you need the by part. Okay, so that we will do in the bracket, no problem for this. But we will integrate this. What? Liat, e for exponential function is last. So you have to take t outside then. Integration of e to power dt minus, okay, so I will write in bracket. Okay, so minus integration of d by dt of t integration of e raised to t dt and then bracket I bar plus e raised to t j bar. Integration of e raised to t is e raised to t plus, again I will write in bracket logarithm. L is logarithm, L for logarithm. Okay, so I will take log outside. So log of t, integration of 1 now here dt minus integration of d by dt of log t integration of 1 dt. Okay, so now this completed k bar, and this your what? 1 to log 3. Okay, again we will simplify this. This is what I write in bracket. Okay, so t e raised to t. So derivative is 1, integration is e raised to t. So this total product is e raised to t, and integration of e raised to t is e raised to t minus e raised to t I bar plus e raised to t j bar plus we write in bracket. Okay, so this is what integration of 1 is t. So this is what? T log t minus. So integration or derivative of log t is 1 upon t. This integration is t. 1 upon t into t, it gets cancelled. So this is 1. So this total product is 1, and you have to integrate that. Okay, so that is t now. K bar, and your this is what? Log of 3. Okay, so this is log of 3. So now we will put log of 3. we'll put log of 3. So what is that then? So log of 3 e raised to log of 3 minus e raised to log of 3 I bar plus e raised to log of 3 j bar plus log of 3 log 3 minus log 3 k bar minus, you have to put t is equal to 1. So if you put t is equal to 1, this is 0. So this is what? 0 I bar plus e j bar plus minus, you have to put t is equal to 1. Log 1 is 0. So minus k bar. Minus k bar. Okay. So now e raised to log 3 is 3. So this is what then? 3 log 3 minus 1. Okay. Minus 3. This is e raised to log 3 is 3. So 3 log 3 minus e raised to log 3 is 3. So 3 I bar. Okay. Plus this is 3. And this is what? Minus e. This is minus e. J bar. Plus. Here you cannot take any common now. Okay, here you can take log 3 common. This is what then? Log 3 minus 1. And here what? Minus minus become plus. So this is plus 1 k bar. Okay. So this is the value of the integration. Okay. So next we will do this. Solve the initial value problem. Initial value problem for r bar of t, where r bar of t is equal to minus t I bar minus t j bar minus t k bar, with condition r bar of 0 is equal to I bar plus 2 j bar plus 3 k bar, where dr bar by dt, this is what? Dr bar by dt. Okay, we will solve this. Okay, solution. Given that, so you want the initial value problem, that you want the value of r bar of t now. You want r bar of t. So you have provided that dr bar by dt, that means derivative of r bar of t is provided you, and you want r bar of t. Okay, so given that d by dt of r bar of t is equal to minus t I bar minus t j bar minus t k bar. Okay, so therefore d r bar of t is equal to integration of minus t I bar minus t j bar minus t k bar dt. Okay, so this is what then? Minus t square by 2 I bar minus t square by 2 j bar minus t square by 2 k bar plus c1 bar, constant of the integration, constant vector you get. Okay, because if you differentiate this, you get the derivative of constant vector is 0 bar. Okay, so 0. Okay, given that r bar of 0 is equal to I bar plus 2 j bar plus 3 k bar. Okay, so therefore r bar of 0 is equal to c1 bar. Okay, because what? R bar of 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is 0 0 0. So r bar of 0 bar, that therefore what? c1 bar is equal to I bar plus 2 j bar plus 3 k bar. Therefore r bar of t is equal to what? 1 minus t square by 2 I bar plus 2 minus t square by 2 k bar plus 2 minus t t square by 2 k1. This is your r bar of t. This is your r bar of t. Why? Because what? Here what? E plus c1 bar. We have to write the value of c1 bar is this. Okay. So actually this is what? Minus t square by 2 plus 1. But I have written this 1 minus. Okay. So antiderivative is given to you and you have to find the original function. Again, to solve the initial value problem, for r bar, where r bar d by dt of r bar of t is equal to t upon t square plus 2 I bar plus minus t square plus 1 upon t minus 2 j bar plus t square plus 4 upon t square plus 3 k bar with initial condition r bar of 0 is same as I bar minus j bar plus k bar. Okay. Solution. Given that t by dt of r bar is this and this. Okay. So r bar of t is equal to integration of t upon t square plus 2 I bar minus t square plus 1 upon t minus 2 j bar plus t square plus 4 upon t square plus 3 k bar dt plus c1 bar you may write here or you may write after the integration, no problem for this one. So this is directly integrable. Okay, so we'll write this. This is what 1/2 2t upon t square plus 2 I bar. Okay, derivative of the denominator is as the numerator. We will arrange this. Okay, now here minus t square plus 1 upon t minus 2. Your degree of the denominator is very less. So what you have to do? You have to write this. You have to do this calculation rough. So t minus 2. Okay, you don't want t now. You don't want t square. Multiply by t square minus 2t then minus plus. So this is what 2t plus 1. You have to take the addition after the changing the sign here. You have to take the addition of these two polynomials 2t. You don't want 2 now. Okay, so just multiply by, you don't want 2t, so multiply by 2t, multiply by 2. So 2t minus 4 here minus plus. So this is 5. So this is 5. So I can write this as quotient. This is your quotient t plus 2. Okay, plus remainder upon the divider. So this is plus 5 upon t minus 2 j bar, so that each term is integrable. So here I can write, so this is what 1 upon t square plus 3 is integrable, 1 upon t square. So I can write this is what t square plus 3 plus 1. So this is what then 1 plus 1 upon t square plus 3. I can write this as t square plus 3 plus 1. T square plus 3 upon t square plus 3 is 1 and 1 upon t square dt. So this is bracket complete. So this is what k bar dt plus c1 bar. This is k bar, you have to take the care. Now each term is integrable. We'll take the integration now. This is 1/2 log of t square plus 2 I bar minus, I write in bracket, open bracket I will write. So integration of t is what? T square by 2 plus 2t minus plus 5 log of t minus 2 j bar. We have to take the integration plus integration of t here plus 1 upon s square plus integration of 1 upon s square plus x square dx. So this is what 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Okay, so your a is what? Your a square is 3. So 1 by is what? 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of t by root 3. k bar plus c1 bar plus c1 bar. Okay, no need write now this square bracket now. We are integrating each term now. Okay, now given that r bar of 0 bar is equal to I bar minus j bar plus k bar. Okay, this is provided to. So we'll put, this is your r bar of t. We'll put t is equal to 0. So what happened then? This is what? 1/2 log of this is 0 log of 2 I bar. Okay, if you put t is equal to 0, oh, this is what? Oh, this is minus 2 log of t minus 2. Here you have to take the modulus. Okay, modulus you have to take. Okay, no problem now here. Take the modulus of that one. Okay, so because log of positive number exists, so okay, so this is what then minus 0 0, so 5 log 2. This is what? Minus 5 log 2 j bar. Then you are putting t is equal to 0. So tan inverse of 0 is 0. So this is what? Plus 0 k bar is equal to I bar. Okay, plus c1 bar is equal to I bar minus j bar plus k bar. Okay, so there, this is what c1 bar you have written. Okay, so c1 bar is equal to, so what we have to shift all to that side. Okay, so this will what then? 1 minus 1/2 log 2 I bar. Then this is shifted to that side, so plus 5 log 2 minus 1 j bar. Okay, this term become plus now, and plus k bar and plus k bar. Okay, so this is your c1 bar. So we'll put the value of c1 bar here. So we get, therefore r bar of t is equal to, okay, r bar of t is equal to, how we can write this? Each term collected, we will collect all the terms now. First we will write this 1/2 log of t square plus 2. Okay, and then we will collect this, okay, plus 1 minus 1/2 log of 2 minus 1/2 log of 2 I bar. So we can write the square bracket for each component then. Okay, so your c1 bar is this now. Okay, so we are connecting the component. Now we are writing, okay, so we'll write here what? C1 I is what? This. Okay, now this is minus. Now we'll take the care of the minus now. Okay, so this is what? T square by 2 plus 2t plus 5 log of mod of t minus 2. Okay, now we have taken the minus sign common now here. So this will be what? We have to change the sign of this. Minus 5 log 2 plus 1 j bar plus j bar plus t plus 1 by root 3 tan inverse of t upon root 3 then plus 1, this k is here, plus 1 k1. This is your r bar of t now. Okay, this is your r bar of t. Okay, now see the this is the crucial part of the integration now. Okay, so you should know all the formulae for the integration. If you don't know the formula for the integration, you cannot do anything. Okay, so we'll take one more problem. Last two problem we'll take. Okay, solve the initial value problem for r bar of t. where dr bar by dt is equal to e raised to t I bar minus e raised to minus t j bar plus 4 e raised to 2t k bar with initial condition r bar of 0 is equal to 3 I bar plus j bar plus 2 k bar and this is what d2 r bar. Okay, d2 r bar by dt square is provided to you, and d by dt of r bar of 0 is equal to minus I bar plus 4 j bar. Two initial conditions, because the second derivative is provided to you, so you have to find the first derivative and then you have to find r bar of t. Okay, so solution, given that this. Okay, you may write this. Okay, so now you will integrate this. So this is what d by dt of r bar of t is equal to, just will integrate this. So e raised to t I bar minus become plus now, because integration of e raised to minus t is e raised to minus t upon minus 1, so become plus. So this is what 2 e raised to t, this is j bar, this is k bar plus c1 bar. Okay, e raised to 2t, integration of e raised to 2t is e raised to 2t upon 2, so 2 get cancelled, so therefore it is 2. Okay, so d by dt of r bar of 0 is given that minus I bar plus 4 j bar. Okay, so we find this now. So what is this? You have to put 0. This is what I bar minus j bar plus 2 k bar plus c1 bar is equal to minus I bar plus 4 j bar. Okay, so therefore c1 bar is equal to, so I bar is what, minus 2 I bar plus 5 j bar minus 2 k bar. Okay, so therefore d by dt of r bar of t is equal to, you have to put c1 bar is this. So what is this then? E raised to t minus 2 I bar minus e raised to minus t. Okay, so instead of minus I write plus now here. I write plus now because this is not minus. Okay, this is not minus. So I can write this 5 minus e raised to minus t j bar, then plus 2 e raised to 2t minus 2 k bar. Okay, this is your t r bar by dt. Now you want r bar of t. Okay, so r bar of t is equal to, just try to integrate this. So this is what e raised to 2 minus 2t I bar plus 5t plus e raised to minus t j bar, because integration of e raised to minus t is e raised to minus e raised to minus t, so minus minus become plus now. So plus e raised to 2t minus 2t k bar plus c2 bar now, plus c2 bar. Okay, given that r bar of 0 is equal to 3 I bar plus j bar plus 2 k bar plus 2 k bar. Okay, now this is your this. We'll put t is equal to 0 here. We'll put t is equal to 0. So what happens then? This is I bar, because this is 0, I bar plus j bar plus k bar plus c2 bar is equal to 3 I bar plus j bar plus 2 k bar. Okay, so c2 bar is equal to what then? Twice I bar plus k bar, twice I bar, j bar get cancelled. Okay, so therefore r bar of t is equal to, so I bar is there, so this is what e raised to t minus 2t plus 2 I bar. You have to put c2 is equal to this here, plus 5t plus e raised to minus t j bar, and for k bar, so e raised to 2t minus 2t plus 1 k bar. plus 1 k bar. Okay, so this is your O in R bar of t now. Okay, so this is your final answer. This is your final answer. Okay, so next we'll do for calculations. You have to take the care. Okay, if you made a mistake somewhere, you will get a wrong answer. We will do one more problem. Okay, no problem with this. Okay, so just it is just like this. Okay, similar problem. So we'll drop that. Okay, so I hope that you understand all those things. So we will stop here. Thank you.